Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is Keezy Tech at your service. We're super excited to have you here as we dive deep into the fascinating world of smartphones, gadgets, and all things tech. Today, we're focusing on a device that has truly made waves in the consumer electronics market, the Vivo V25 5G. This device isn't just your average smartphone. It's a blend of innovative features, sleek design, and powerful performance that caters to a wide range of users, from photography enthusiasts to everyday users looking for a reliable 5G device. If you own a Vivo V25 5G, then you already know how impressive this phone is. But like any electronic device, it's not immune to issues over time. One common problem that many users might face is a damaged or malfunctioning LCD screen. In this comprehensive guide, we'll be focusing on a crucial aspect of smartphone maintenance: LCD replacement. Whether your Vivo V25 5G's display has cracked, developed dead pixels, or is experiencing touch sensitivity issues, replacing the LCD can breathe new life into your device. Why is LCD replacement important? The LCD, liquid crystal display, is the core component that displays all the visuals you see on your smartphone, from your home screen and apps to high-definition videos and photos. A damaged LCD not only hampers your user experience, but can also lead to further internal damage if not addressed promptly. Replacing the LCD ensures your device remains functional, maintains its aesthetic appeal, and preserves its resale value. Understanding the Vivo V25 5G display. Before diving into the replacement process, it's essential to understand the specifications of the Vivo V25 5G display. Display size, 6.24 inches. Resolution, 2404 x 1080 pixels, FHD plus AMOLED. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass. Features, HDR10 support, in-display fingerprint sensor. The AMOLED technology provides vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it a visual treat. The display's durability is reinforced by Gorilla Glass, but accidents happen and screens can still crack or malfunction. Common causes of LCD damage. Accidental drops, the most common cause of LCD damage. Pressure or impacts, sitting on the phone or pressing hard on the screen. Manufacturing defects, less common but possible. Water or moisture exposure can cause internal damage leading to display issues. Battery swelling can exert pressure on the display causing cracks or separation. Signs you need an LCD replacement. Cracks or visible damage on the screen. Dead pixels or areas that do not display correctly. Touch responsiveness issues. Flickering or discoloration. Black or unresponsive sections of the display. Ghost touches or phantom inputs. Post-repair tips. Protective measures. Use a tempered glass screen protector to guard against future damage. Professional service. If unsure about the process, consult certified technicians. Final thoughts. Replacing the LCD on your Vivo V25 5G might seem daunting, but with patience and the right tools, it's achievable. However, considering the complexity and the risk of damaging other components, professional repair services are often the safest route. Remember, maintaining your device's display not only preserves its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures that you continue enjoying the vibrant visuals and smooth touch experience that Vivo's AMOLED technology delivers. Thanks for tuning into Keezy Tech. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech tutorials, reviews, and tips. Have any questions or experience with Vivo V25 5G repairs? Drop your comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay tech savvy and see you in the next video.